hi to my vlog.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's just me.
It's a hi to my vlog.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
You're from what? Students? Students from what school? Classistic. Okay, they just interviewed me for their class. Are you the teacher? Oh, nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
They just interviewed me. Yeah, they gave me something. Oopsie. Bye bye. They interviewed me to improve their English communication, and they talked to the most talkative person because I have nobody to talk to. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you, kiddos. What's the occasion? Why they're wearing? They all look so beautiful. I want to know what's the occasion. New Year? Looks so beautiful. Oh. We are going to the post office, Hanoi post office, because today is my niece's birthday. And today it's already 5 here, but in the US it's 4. I'm going there. We're going to send her a postcard. Oh, look this. Ta-da! Over there, VNPT. Oh, so cute. Wow. So cute. We're also going there in Uniqlo later. So, pero let's send this muna to my niece yung postcard. I get a free postcard from Tired City, and I send it to her. Oh, it's a ducky. Oh, there's Uniqlo. What? I bought my top there, so I'm coming back there again. Oh, so cute. I like the vibes here. Okay, I'll walk in.
Món nào?
Malapit na. Kaya ako, sir. Hindi ma-appeal. Tama.
I think that we need to know each other, right? So, can I get your name? So, where you from first? Yeah, that's
GG from Philippines.
okay. That's so, for the test, you're gonna make 5 different dishes. You know what they are? Oh, really? Pho, yeah. We have pho, the traditional Vietnamese soup, Bún Chả, barbecue pork noodle, rice spring roll, papaya salad, and last one, egg coffee. Yeah. That's more like
Much easier.
chopstick, and then you stir it until you hear the Korean seed coffee, and then you stop. You don't grill it and just put it straight in, give it too fresh, and when you cook it for too long, it makes it raw sour. So we need to grill it first, and when you grill it, it also gives a smoky flavor for food as well. Then we get to turn it over, it's getting so we don't make it too wet. You can just scoop your filling straight on it. You have to scoop 1.5 spoon of the filling. You have to put it at the bottom. Shave it first. Long and thin, but not too long. About 7 centimeters. Now to start your index finger. And because we put an egg, also with a lot of meat inside, so when this one boiling, sorry not boiling, when this one be fried, it will be spread. Don't roll it too tight, or when you fry it, it's gonna be smooth. And then you roll it up 2 times. 1, 2. Shape it again. Equally rounded. Then it's time for the water. Dip your finger into the water. And sprinkle some water on it. About 2 times. Which is when it's soft only. Don't make it too wet. When you make it too wet and fry it, it's hard to make it crispy. Wipe it. And then cut it from it to the side. Chỉ nói ít thôi nào. Make sure that when you fold, make sure that the paper meet each other in the middle. And then just keep rolling to the end. I want it round and not too tight. That's it. My papaya and carrot is 9. Have condensed milk in there, please.
This is my card. This is on my card.
So we got the white and the pink cup, coffee and the red coffee.
Wow. Good luck talaga pabalik.
Getting stuck. More people.